Now that the standalone program ESP Home Flasher has been depreciated, we now need to use the web-based solution for flashing our devices. And here's how you do it. First of all, I'm going to make a new device. I'm going to call this one All the Ace. We'll go next, pick any one of these. I'm going to override it in a second. We'll skip that. That's added it to the bottom of our list. And we're going to go to edit. I've got some boilerplate code here I'm going to replace. It's just a standard D1 Mini setup with a SSID and password for the Wi-Fi using secrets. I've already got the name in here, so we're ready to go. Now, normally I'd go to manual downloads. We don't do that anymore. Because this is now plugged into my computer, I can go plug into this computer. It's going to compile the project and prepare it for downloads. Now, obviously, this is the first time I've made this device, so this preparation is going to take a little while. It's compiling and writing all the necessary files. So we'll give that a second. Okay, there we go. It's finished compiling. We're now going to download the project, which in this case is the bin file, and I'm just going to save that onto my desktop there. Now, in my browser, I need to allow it. We'll just allow that. So now we've got the bin file here. We'll go to Open ESP Home Web. That'll handily open up a new tab, and you'll see why that's important in a second. Next, we'll go to Connect. Now my device is already connected, and we can see that's on a COM3, so I'm just going to compare that and connect. And we use the install. It's going to ask us for the file. So again, we're going to go back to the desktop, grab the AAA bin that I've made there, and we'll hit install. That's erasing the device, and it's then going to write to it, and we can see the light flashing there. And there you go, the light's flashing, but it's now installing to the device. There you go, configuration installed. We should now see a new device as normal. So we'll discover that device and we'll just install it. And we'll just install that in the office and finish. And we'll look down here. And there we go, there it is. So now if we go back to ESP Home, we'll scroll down because it'll be at the end of the list. We can do an edit here, and with this other tab open, what we can do is we can rip that off, and let's just rearrange these windows here. We'll put that there. I'll move that over there, like so. And I'm gonna disconnect, then reconnect the device, and also I'm gonna reconnect it here. And this time we're gonna go to logs. So now we've got the logs coming from this device via the USB port. Let's add some more code. So I'm just going to make a simple switch with a platform of GPIO. Let's give it an ID. I'm going to call this switch 1. Let's give it a name, also call this switch 1. And finally, I'm going to give it a pin, and I'm going to put this on D2. So there you go, simple switch. This time I'm going to install this wirelessly, and it's going to rewrite all the C++ files. So give this a second. It's a new component, so it's got to write all these again. Okay, so there you go. It's now uploading the file. We can see the OTA update. While it's doing that and reconnecting, you'll also notice that we've got some extra checksum data, which is handy for debugging, etc. And there you go. It's connected to Wi-Fi. So we can see the logs there running through the serial port. We can update this. So let's change this switch to a different pin. We'll install that wirelessly again. This will be a lot quicker because it hasn't got to rewrite all the code. And then we can wait for the firmware to update. So as soon as this is finished, we can go back to edit. We don't have to wait for this to log and then come back out of it. And then we can continue writing our code. Now you can see we've got the logs running in the background as well as typing the code at the same time, which is very handy. So yeah, that works quite nicely. Well, I hope this video was helpful with your projects. Please do share it so others can find it as well. I upload videos whenever I can, so subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. That's it. Thanks for watching.
Okay, I love you, Bubba.